Hello, my name is METİN. This is 93rd part of explanation of my theory. According to my theory and my formulas, if there was expanding universe, gravity wouldn't be able to prevent expanding of all bodies. If there was Big Bang and expanding universe, we wouldn't exist. Cosmological Redshift Idea is wrong. 1. Meta-sensation perception matter, the concept that I put forth, is full matter without emptiness. 2. This doesn't mean that the matter cannot have the motion or it must be motionless. This idea is unquestioned by us from thousands years before. 3. Emptiness or void is illusion. This is about perception mechanism also. 4. Whether it is endless or limited, meta-sensation perception matter has adiabatic medium. 5. Meta-sensation perception matter cannot be limited with emptiness around it, then it cannot expand into the void around or inside of it. 6. Meta-sensation perception matter may be limited with other adiabatic mediums of meta-sensation perception matters or another meta-sensation perception matter through separating, not real separating, whole. There is only single meta-sensation perception matter, separating opaque motion forms between them. Again, 6. Meta-sensation perception matter may be limited with other meta-sensation perception matters or another meta-sensation perception matter through separating opaque motion forms between them. There may have different adiabatic mediums in meta-sensation perception matter. Yes. There may have been different adiabatic mediums in meta-sensation perception matter. Therefore, there may be different energy, frequency, wavelength scale, electron motion forms and atoms, so different scale existences. Therefore, there may be different energy, frequency, wavelength scale electron motion forms and atoms, so different scale existences. If it is so, we can pass from one MSPM to another through isolated passages by wearing isolating clothes. Fiction. If it is so, we can pass from one MSPM, we can pass from one meta-sensation perception matter to another through isolated passages by wearing isolated clothes. This is fiction. In this circumstance, we can talk about multiverse. When we pass from greater as if pressure meta-sensation perception matter adiabatic medium to smaller pressure one, if we don't save our body and if our body can respond instantly, changing our electron motion forms can be greater and all of our atoms can be greater as a giant instantly. Therefore, our point mass, point energy, point momentum will decrease, and this decreasing leads the changing the gravitational interaction, etc. 7. If everything is enlarging or shrinking in the same time, who can say we are observing the expanding universe? 8. Expanding of metasensation perception matter leads to the imbalance of all adaptations and leads irregularity, instant and big changing in temperature and pressure, leads, etc. 9. Void doesn't expand because there is no void. Cosmological Redshift Idea assumes this. So, enlarging redshift. Void doesn't expand because there is no void. Cosmological Redshift Idea assumes void, so assumes enlarging redshift. Therefore, this idea closes its eye superluminal reality. Then it says, yes, there is not real superluminal motion. There is apparent superluminal motion. This means that the superluminal motion is illusion. No, this is wrong. Yes. I have to emphasize this. Gravity, if there was expanding universe, gravity, if there was expanding metasensation perception matter, gravity wouldn't be able to prevent expanding of all bodies, or wouldn't be able to prevent irregularity, imbalances, chaos. Yes. Have a good evening. See you later.